Ray. Your mama's cleaver is no sharp.
And your mama's cleaver always no sharp.
No. This is your mama's cleaver, right?
My mama's.
Yeah, you have a mama, right?
Anyways, forget about that. I'm strong.
Check this out.
What the f? How the f did this happen, man?
I think your mama hacked bones.
Tough day. You're gonna be using this, the 180 grit diamond plate. And look, it's all covered in mud. But let me show you, because it's made with diamond.
Oh.
But now it's flat. Something bad I just noticed. Look there.
Oh no.
Let's hammer flat, and we proceed on sharpening. Let's sharpen it. And with the pro edge. This is actually meant to be a slicing cleaver. Slicing knife. Let's go with 16. Ceramic. Stroppy strop. Sharpness test.
160.
Let me show you some cooking actions.
Let's go.